Uy, te, ano strand mo?
TVL housekeeping po.
Linis-linis lang naman dyan eh.
Housekeepers are the people who put in the most effort behind every clean home, every meal, and every place that is well organized. Gayunpaman, sila ay nagtitiis ng mababang sahod, walang boses at kaunting pagkilala sa kabila ng kanilang pagsisikap.
Pauwi na ba kayo? Malay ko yan? Hindi
Every person should be respected regardless of their level in the field. Walang iba, tayong pare-parehas tayo nagtatrabaho ng marami.
I-appreciate natin ang mga housekeeper cleaners na walang ibang ginawa kundi pagandahin at panatiling malinis ang ating kapaligiran.
Kaya naman, samahan niyo po kami at tulungang makiisa sa aming advokasiyang ipinaglalaban.
We are one. Together, we will fight for their rights. Equal rights, pay equity.